Welcome to Yoga Life with Amelia. Let's work on upper body strengthening poses like the cobra or up dog and reverse plank poses. Let's prepare for this upper body workout by doing upper body and shoulder stretches. Please refer to my previous videos on easy to follow shoulder stretches, and I'll provide the link in the description box below. So follow me as I bring my arms overhead to stretch the shoulder and upper back area. Have your yoga mat and chair ready for our first pose. After warming up our upper body, let's move on to our lower body and stretch in this modified position. You may choose to stretch in supine instead of standing pose. After stretching your right side, move on to stretch your left. You can always continue and repeat the stretches if needed. Now let's move on to modified downward facing dog with your hands on the chair. Try this several times and get a feel of how your body is positioned from downward facing dog to upward facing dog. Engage your upper body strength as you move from one pose to the other, and use your breath to power up your poses. Let's take a break in standing and rest here. When you're ready, let's continue the flow for another round of downward facing dog to upward facing dog. This is our final rest here before we move on to the next pose. Using the chair again, lay on your mat and arrange your hands and feet so you can use the chair in your bridge pose. Push your elbows on the ground and squeeze your shoulder blades as you lift your hips high in this strengthening pose. After this pose, set the chair aside and let's try the reverse table pose. Lift your hips and your chest high so you can engage your arms and hold the pose for a few breaths. You can try and rearrange the placement of your feet and your arms and try the reverse plank pose. After a few rounds of reverse plank or reverse table, let's rest again so you can catch your breath and move on to the next flow. Let's now give our arms a break. Follow me on this easy flow to release the tension in our arms and upper body. You can end your practice here or continue to the bonus video to add to your home practice and make the sequence longer. In this short flow, I'm repeating the plank, upward facing dog, and downward facing dog poses. And repeat the same flow on the other side. For more tips on strength building poses, please view my previous videos so you can develop your home practice. Strength building poses help improve intermediate poses and arm balance like the crow pose. I hope you enjoyed this video on improving upper body strength through these various poses. And as always, have fun and enjoy your yoga practice. Thank you for viewing Yoga Life with Amelia, and I'll see you on the next one.